Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all will be in good health. I am your science teacher of grade 7. Students, open your books, page number 7. In previous class we were done question answers. Today we are going to discuss comparing respiration and breathing. What do you mean by respiration? Respiration is the process by which food molecules like glucose is broken down or oxidized in the body to release energy. What is breathing? Breathing is inhalation and exhalation of air. Now we can compare these two. Breathing. It is a physical process involving exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Now breathing is a physical process which we can see, and there is it's a physical process that involves exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. When we inhale air or exhale air, there is exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Respiration. It is a chemical process involving oxidation of glucose to carbon dioxide and water. Respiration is chemical process that occur inside our body. It involves oxidation of glucose to carbon dioxide and water. Energy is not released. During breathing, there is no release of energy. In respiration, energy is released. Look at this equation. Glucose plus oxygen by the process of respiration can release energy. It takes place outside the cell. Where breathing occur, it takes place outside the cell. But respiration, it takes places within the cell. Respiration can take place inside the cell. Breathing is an exchange of gases between cells and the external environment. Now breathing is actually exchange of gases. Exchange of gases between cells and the external environment. When we inhale and exhale air, it's an exchange between our cells and external environment. Respiration is the process that takes place in the cell. Now respiration is that process that takes place inside the cell. In breathing, enzymes are not involved. Respiratory enzymes take part in respiration. In breathing, there is no work of enzymes. Enzymes are not involved. But in respiration, respiratory enzymes take part in respiration. Breathing is a voluntary action which is under our control. Voluntary action means those action which is under our control. When we inhale or exhale here, it's under our control. It's a breathing. But respiration is an involuntary action. It's not under our control because respiration can take place inside our body. So it's not under our control. Voluntary actions are those actions which is under our control. For example, when we start walking, when we clap our hands, it's under our control. But respiration is an involuntary action which is not under our control. For example, heartbeat, blinking of eyes. Again, I repeat the topic. We compare respiration and breathing. Breathing is a physical process. Respiration is a chemical process. During breathing, energy is not released. During respiration, energy is released. Breathing is take place outside the cell. Respiration take place inside the cell. Breathing is voluntary action and respiration is involuntary action. It's enough for today. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.